In this video, I'm going to be showing the ability for OceansMap to show GIS layers on the map. So for MARACOOS OceansMap, we have 5 different GIS layers available. So for example, I can turn on this 2020 all vessel transit count. And if I open the legend here, it will give us the color scheme for the 2020 vessel count through the Atlantic. We can also show we have the 2019 vessel transit count. We have this EEZ maritime boundaries layer. So that shows that boundary there, and it automatically populates the legend. We have this wind energy lease area that shows different wind energy lease sections here with the description of them in the legend. And then finally this shipping lane layer. You can see the shipping lanes populate there on the map.